Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can clean up your inbox in Zoho Mail. So actually, it's very straightforward and really easy. So once you're on your dashboard, you will go to your inbox and then you will check your this box right here, which is currently clear. So you will just have to check it and then you will click delete, and then all the things on your inbox will be deleted. Or you can also go to your settings gear and then you can go scroll down to your mail organization, and then you will select clean up or mail box clean up. And if you don't see it, by the way, you can just use the settings search bar and type uh clean up. But if you can't see it as well, then you can just do the steps that we've done earlier. So yeah, that's basically just it, and it's just as straightforward as I've done. And please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and have a good day.